Wow, considering it's supposed to be really hot today, the sky's just gone black. Oh, lovely. 25 to 4, and I'm only just getting around to doing some vlogging. So, forgot my water. Trying to get a load of... not much. Trying to get water intake today. It's like... drunk so much Pepsi yesterday. God. It's just see the dark cloud just starting to come over the back of the house there. And I've only just got the washing out. Terrific. 25 degrees is supposed to be today. And it feels it, but Jesus. It looks like it's going to pour down. Might clear the air up a bit. But yeah, so yeah, I was saying, I didn't even hear the girls this morning come and say to her before they went to work that I was out of it. Apparently I was like snoring or making some noises in my sleep when Georgia came in and she was laughing. But woke up like 12:30, all the way through from 1:15 or whatever it was. I went to bed after got my vlog uploaded and trying to update my TomTom and sat nav. Flat out. I can't even remember trying to get to sleep, so I must have shut my eyes and just been out of it. Woke up 12:30, so half the day gone. Been doing some washing and finished updating the TomTom. Spoke to TomTom about the traffic receiver that felt a bit, and it's like a year and 1 month, so it's like 1 month out of warranty. Give her the details. She says no problem, we'll send you a new one out. Brilliant. It'll take 7 to 10 days, free of charge, receiver on its way. So thank you very much to TomTom for that. Oh. Wow, told you it's gonna start pouring down. Oh, thunder as well. Sorry washing, but you're staying out. Wow. Might have to put a light on in here. Yes. Oh yeah, thunder. And there's a bee flying. Fly flying around. Yeah, but 7 to 10 days. I'd rather have it before then. So what I did last night, I ordered one off Amazon. It's cost about £23, which is still a lot cheaper than in the shops, because the shops, if you can get them in the shops, about £39. TomTom are charging 50 something pound for them, or about £50. So what I might do when I get the one from Amazon, which should be here in a few days, make sure it is the genuine thing, then use that and they sell the one that TomTom are selling or sending. So we'll see. At least get me money back. I don't want to be out of pocket. Yeah. Had a right carry on with the e-cigarette. It's the VTR2 eye taste. Oh, Anakin. For me iClear tank here, iClear 30S. Went to top it up before and I could not get that top off. What a job I had. And I don't tighten it up ultra tight. I just put it up like hand tight so it doesn't loose, it doesn't leak. I've had to soak it in hot water and everything, and I in the end carefully had to wrap tea towel around it and get some pliers on it and to free it off. Don't know why it's done that, but I've noticed some people do have that problem. I have no idea why it does it. Might be the hot weather. The materials might have expanded. I don't know. But it's off anyway. I've managed to get it filled up, so at least I can have a smoke now. And just ordered a load more liquid from Kick. Even though I wouldn't normally buy liquids from Kick, when I've had a couple of them from there, I've enjoyed them, so I thought, oh, I've got some more. So I've ordered them, so because we're down to the last bottle or so of liquid between me and Denise. Yeah, I can't remember if I said, but got washing in. I was washing on the line, got some more in. All the work clothes going through from, I think they were soaking yesterday with sweat. That's it. And tonight we're having chicken drumsticks with tagliatelle and I think carbonara and everything. Oh, don't know if you can hear that thunder there. Oh, they're big raindrops. Hopefully it's just going to be a quick shower. Oh. Wow. The washing's only been out 5 minutes as well. And I give the grass a good water and everything last night and all the plants and... Oh, hailstones. See the big ones? Oh, they're bouncing off the top there. I don't know if you can see them. Oh, I'm glad I'm not out in that. Oh, lightning as well. Glad I don't have to go out in that. Of all the times, you can probably see water on my glasses, of all the times Georgia decides she's wanting to come home on normal time rather than stay late. Just got soaked even just coming out of the house. Wow, right, let's go and see if I can get through to Georgia and hopefully the roads aren't flooded. The roundabout's flooded. That's going to be fun not going back home. Wow. So the road at the top of my street is completely flooded as well, but you know, blue sky coming. It's just been on the radio that tonight's going to be clear but muggy, so hopefully it's just a little flash floody type of thing and it'll clear up pretty quickly. Glad I'm not out in the van today. That would have been fun. Not too bad at all. There's smoke coming up here. I was just sorting out some of the stuff on the fridge here because the calendar had fell down. Then I noticed I still had this. This is my rota for my old job. Ha, this is what I can do now. Yes. Yeah. In the bin it goes. Don't need it anymore. There you go. In the bin. 5:20. Denise should be home soon. I'm just waiting for her to ring because she says she's asked me to sort of brown the chicken off when she rings. So yeah. Don't think the washing's going to get dry tonight, but you know. I'm going to need to get out these tracky bottoms. God, boiling. I'll put them on just to go in the car. I'll pick George up. Right. Oh, the air's a lot clearer. That's lovely. That's nice. It's not as like muggy and horrible as it was earlier. Right. At least the water stopped dripping off them. I come home before, the water was still dripping off the clothes from where I got caught in the rain. A couple of clouds coming over, but hey ho. So I'm going to go and get my joggers off, put the shorts back on, then feed the cats, because they need feeding, and they won't flipping settle until they are fed, the little eating monsters that they are. And then hopefully by that time Denise would have rang now, so getting the chicken browned off. Ooh, I'm happy. Oh, Denise is home. She's watching Steve's vlog. Congratulations on finding out the sex of the baby. Well, happy for you. Yeah, we've been talking about. We've been looking at ideas for doing the garden and like, doing stuff with the fences, stuff like that. Even though Denise has just got a little bubble car, as I call it, little hairdresser's car. Just stuck that in it today. What I want to do is mount it on the fence across there. Then we can like hang things off it, and flower pots and hanging baskets and whatever. Yeah, it's been something I've been wanting to do. You can paint them all fancy colours as well. So that'll be good fun. Ding 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 ding. Oh, my chairs are wet. I want to sit outside. Even though it's cloudy, it's still bloody warm. Oh, Denise is home. Yay! I'm always happy when she gets home. My little sidekick. Yeah, but she's been shopping and she wants to show everybody what it is that she's bought. It's absolutely lovely. So I'll pass you over to the Denise now.
Oh, how adorable.
It is.
I couldn't resist it.
Lovely little flower.
Me boss at work, our sister's baby is born tomorrow, and I know it says 2 to 3, but she's quite a biggish baby and she'll grow into it, but it was just so sweet.
It is absolutely gorgeous. Like I was saying, that's something like what I would have bought Georgia when she was a baby.
It's beautiful, isn't it? And
ooh, there's more. There's more.
oh no,
There's more.
Stephen Rach.
Ooh. Ooh.
They'll be proud.
Oh,
look where I bought it from.
From Sainsbury's.
Hello?
What sort of accent was that? What? Sainsbury's. John, it's Sainsbury's. Yes, well done. It's absolutely gorgeous, that. Yeah, it's lovely.
So, because I've just watched on your channel, the vlog, this little girl is called Poppy. So I don't know whether that's a nice name for a little girl.
Well, put it on the comments. Poppy is a lovely name. Yes.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah.
I wish it fit me.
What have you got to say? Oh, she's running.
I think it's a beautiful dress, and
It is.
gorgeous.
It's gorgeous.
Come on, I just want to be on camera so just be on.
Yeah, oh, you're getting broody.
No. Past all that. I just like holding other people's babies.
Yeah, when you can give them back, you mean.
Yeah.
Yes.
No.
Yeah, that was lovely. Lovely little dress, that is. Oh, you hear my shoulder just crack there. Oh, the cooking. I mentioned the chicken earlier. Well, I browned that off. Look at that, the sauce. There's the pasta. What we're having? Tagliatelle. Obviously tagliatelle.
Honey and mustard sauce.
Honey and mustard. Oh, lush. Lovely, it's bubbling away.
Plenty on it as well.
Watering. Oh, tea's out and Denise is battling with the cheese.
Oh, there we go.
Cheese from Greece.
Look at this. Oh. So tasty. Looks it.
Oh.
Nice cheese.
No!
Oh, such a peaceful night. It's lovely. It's so nice that the air's cleared up after that rain. So quiet. No movement hardly in the trees. Even Franklin's relaxing here. Just to let you know, it's just seen on Facebook the house that was seen earlier, which was on fire, was apparently struck by lightning, and there was one lady inside and she's got out okay. So that's really good. I'm pleased about that. They're still looking for a couple of the cats. I don't know if the cats have run away or what, or whether they were in the fire. Let's hope that the cats are okay. Fingers crossed for that. So yeah, well, the people inside were fine and they managed to get out. Or the person, sorry, they managed to get out, which is a godsend. I'm really pleased. Yeah. Hello. Good. Frankie. Yeah. Gonna call it a day now for the vlogs. It's about 8:30. I want to get this edited and scheduled and everything for tomorrow, so I'm not up too late tonight. You know, weird all day. Not much has happened, but some things have happened, like the rain and everything. One of those days. So, hello.
Cooey!
Cooey.
Yeah, slaving over. Made the tea and I'm still slaving. After a long hard day at work, I'm still doing the dishes like a good wifey.
Yeah, well, we all know that's what you should be doing anyway, so didn't complain. Oh, I'm so gonna get hated on for that one. Don't forget, got the housework, beds to be made and washing to be done.
Yeah. I'm not doing what I want to do.
Did it involve 2 fingers or?
Maybe one.
Love you! She knows I don't mean it. She gets well paid for it. So. Yeah, so I'm gonna call it a day. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you all had a good day wherever you are, and I'll catch up with you all very soon. Take care. Bye.